Hello and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be removing a Citroen C4 Picasso front main heated blower motor. Keep in mind this also has sub motors that are located underneath the front seats. So this cover you do not have to remove. I'm just removing to show you the location of the blower motor, which is located just above the accelerator pedal over there inside that circular canister kind of thing. Now underneath there will be clips that hold this cover. The 3 clips we will first remove with a clip remover. We need to remove this cover so we can have access to the blower motor's bolts and plugs. There's a torx screw, which is I believe a T20, and on the side there's a little clip which you'll need to remove with a flathead metal screwdriver or a clip remover, and then pull the cover out. And now we have access. First we will unplug the blower motor. Just remove the white one, the black one doesn't have to be removed. That's from the resistor to the blower motor. Now the blower motor is held on by 4 screws, which are either 7/32 inch or 5.5 millimeter as seen in the picture. 3 of the screws are easy to get to and there's one difficult one at the back. I would leave the easy ones to the end and remove the harder one first, and then for the last screw, which will be in an easy place, it'll be easier, and then the blower motor comes right out and the resistor is on top of the blower motor on these ones, on these vehicles. So that's the screw 1, location 2, 3 and 4, and then the resistor. Thank you for watching. I hope you have found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly subscribe to support the channel, and we will see you in our upcoming videos.